Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Today I am going to start with the topic with the term collocation, which is frequently used in grammar or vocabulary. It can be asked in your paper, in your board paper. Pick out the example of collocation. Find out the example of collocation from the text. So it is very important. You need to understand, or you must understand, that what do you mean by the term collocations. Okay, student, to collocate means to place or set together more than one word. In English, collocation is frequently used. This term is frequently used in the context of grammar or vocabulary. Collocation is made up of two or more words that are commonly used in English, and it is used in a way that sound correct to people who have spoken the language all their life but might not be expected from the meaning. That means collocation is made up of two or more words that are commonly used in English, and it is used in a way that sound correct to people who have spoken the language all their life. Collocation, they are combination of two meaningful words which systematically comes together. Always we find that more than two words always comes together. Okay, so they are the combination of two or more than two meaningful words. So collocation is refers to a meaningful group of words that are often used together, or they are likely to occur together always. Okay, so for example, if I say a hard frost, that means hard is a collocation of word frost. Deep feeling, deep is a collocation of feeling. Heavy rain, heavy snow. Student, early riser, late sleeper. So these are the meaningful group of words that are often used together. You are feeling, which kind of feel? Deep feeling. So it's a collocation, which it's a word, meaningful word that often used together, or they are likely to occur together. More example we're going to see. Great admiration. Admiration, we use great admiration. So great admiration is a combination of meaningful word. Great anger. Large amount of things. Large collections of jewelry. Strong argument between two people. Broad daylight. Strong smell. Strong tea. Deep thought, fast train, heavy rain, heavy snow. So these are the meaningful group of words that often used together. We always use this word together. Big mistake, big surprise, big failure, big decision, big improvement in them. We used to say it's a big deal. Money deal, big talker. So collocations are combination of meaningful words which we often use together, and it's a sound correct. It sound correct to us because we have been speaking the language all our life. Clear? Well dressed, well known, well worn, well educated people, well aware about that topic, well balanced, well together, well worth. So collocation refers to a meaningful group of words that often used together. So these are the example. More example we're going to see. Regular exercise, midday meal, key concept, fast food, try hard, richly decorated, beautifully decorated, free time, traffic jam, social justice, wild animal. So these are the example of collocation. Now types of collocation. Student will going to see, you just need to understand what do you mean by that collocation, and it can be, the question can be asked in your paper that picked out the example of collocation from the text. Find out the example of collocation from the text. So you must know that what do you mean by the term collocation. It's a very important, student. Now collocation, adjective plus noun. Heavy snow. Heavy snow is noun. I said heavy is collocation. That is an adjective. Heavy snow. Strong smell. Strong is adjective. Smell noun. Collocation. Poor man. Rich culture. Small box. Big fight. Kind lady. That means that word always used to occur together, and that sound correct to us. White paper, deep valley, blue sky means adjective plus noun. Heart rock. Next type is adverb plus adjective. Completely different. This is also collocation. Fully aware about, seriously ill, really good, highly risky, utterly stupid, really happy, badly damaged. So these are the example of collocation. So this adverb plus adjective. ly. Noun plus noun. Accessory. Which accessory? Computer accessory. So computer is the name of a noun. It's a noun. Noun is a name of a person, thing, animal. Okay. So computer accessories. Noun plus noun. Mobile data. Memory card. Also collocation. Disc brake. Dream car. Tour plan. Timetable. That means this word often used to come together. World trade. City police. Noun plus verb. Skydiving. Dog barking. Lion roar. Snowfall. Man-made. Car cleaning. Elephants move. Bird watching. Now verb plus noun. Giving permission is also an example of collocation. Writing essay. Follow the rules. Sending mail. Taking care. Shut the mouth. Finishing lunch. Cooking rice. These are also an example of collocation. Other is verb plus adverb. Suited. Adverb perfectly. Drive slowly. Speak fluently. Ran confidently. Rub gently. Completely successful. These are also an example of, that means a group of or a combination of two meaningful words that always occur together and that sound correct to us, because we people used to speak, we have been, you can say, aware about that language, English language. So because we have been in touch with this language throughout our life. Nicely driven. Perfectly maintained. Again adverb plus verb. Humbly requesting. Confidently speaking. Seriously treated. So student, these are the example of collocation. You must understand it and you must know how to pick out or find out example from the text. So this is